Back in Nagasaki, I got married to Cho-Cho San. That was her name in those days, when I was her man. I've gone back and visit her. She got a problem. She got a little Cho-Cho. Cho-Cho Sam was her name, and Mr. Taylor Wolf. Take it away, Cho-Cho. I'm a bounder. I married a Yankee girl, but I went back to visit old Japan, where there she was, Cho-Cho San.